How do pros check work for hidden flaws in exams? Imagine finishing a test and feeling pretty confident, but then wondering if you missed something important. That's where the skill of checking your work really comes into play. Top students and professionals don't just stop after writing their answers. They have a step-by-step process to find mistakes that might be hiding. Let's walk through how they do it. First, they make sure they have answered every question. They scan the entire exam to see if any questions are left blank or partially answered. Missing even one question can cost points, so they double-check that nothing was overlooked. Next, they read each question again. They look for parts they might have missed or misunderstood. Many questions have multiple parts, so they verify that each part is fully addressed. For written answers, they review for clarity and completeness. They check for typos, unclear wording, or missing details. They make sure their explanations are solid and that they answered all parts of the question. For math or science problems, they go back over calculations. They rework the math to catch small mistakes like incorrect formulas, wrong numbers, or units that don't match. Double-checking calculations helps avoid careless errors that could change the final answer. Experienced test takers also look for common mistake patterns. They think about errors they tend to make, like misreading questions or skipping steps. By focusing on these areas, they catch errors before submitting. While reviewing, they also manage their time wisely. They avoid second-guessing answers without reason and focus on obvious mistakes. If they have extra time, they might take a short break or shift their focus to see things with fresh eyes. This helps spot errors they didn't notice before. Finally, they consider any specific instructions from the exam. If guessing is allowed or partial credit is given, they follow those rules carefully. They decide whether to revise answers or leave them as they are based on the instructions. Combining all these steps helps professionals find hidden flaws and improve their scores. Checking your work thoroughly is a key test-taking skill that builds confidence and helps you succeed. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in your exam results.